Closing the course review. Where there is a beginning, there is an end. Now I'm thankful that you have made it this far and hopeful that you've learned a lot from this course. However, let's quickly review the entire course and talk about our journey together. We started by exploring, and we did explore Google mobility data. We built several worksheets to represent this data. Those required LODs, for example, or table calculations, but hopefully you was able to see the power of both. We then assembled our dashboard, so brought all of our worksheets together to create a single look and feel. We then created a mobile dashboard layout, so hopefully that was informative for you. Hopefully you will now make sure that all of your dashboards are mobile enabled. We focused a lot on formatting to make sure that the dashboard has the look, the feel and the polish that we would like to see in the end product. We explored various techniques, again with regards to containers, with regards to mobile layouts, some interesting calculations. We definitely had a lot of fun here. And we also followed my end-to-end process. We looked at the data, we explored the data, we created some worksheets, we assembled them into a dashboard, we added the polish. The key thing here is that with this dataset, you can create your own versions. There's a lot more that you can do, and I would highly encourage you to do so. But the key here is I had a vision, I had an output in mind that I sketched up. But the main thing is that we have built a dashboard based on this data. So congratulations, and let's keep on closing this course.